Hey guys, my name is Tim and I'm the Master Mechanic at Zeiten BMW Mobile Services. Today we have the 2008 BMW 328i and just wanted to shoot a short video to how to do the oil change on those cars. And well, obviously the first thing we're going to do is jack up the car. We're going to use, technically you can jack it from one of the sides, because the drain plug is on the side of the oil pan, left or right, I don't remember exactly. But anyways, if you jack it up on one side and put the pan there, and then you can lower it so you'll drain most of the oil. But we're gonna do the other jobs here today, and I'm just gonna raise the whole front, put it on jack stands, and proceed. Okay, so to raise it from the center of the car, it can be really difficult because the splash shield usually sagging and you can't see this round hole where the metal part is. I'm just gonna jack it up a little bit and show you how. Basically, what you gotta do is to feel this spot and then jack it right there. Yep, if you can see, there's this round spot, and in the middle there is a metal piece where you have to jack the car. That's the jacking point for the whole front. So the car is on jack stands, the whole front is raised. All you need for the oil change is the drain pan, just regular ratchet with the 17mm socket on it. This tool is going to remove the oil filter cap to be exact, and just a pick tool to take the O-rings out of the oil filter cap. The drain plug on this one is right here, just a little bit further than the jacking point, and it's 17mm and it's facing the passenger side. So all you need to do, it's usually tough. I see there's some silicone in here for some reason. Position your oil pan like this so it's a little bit in front of the shield, this hole, and it's a lot of it right here because it's gonna go straight forward further than you think. Once you loosen it, you can usually take it out with just your fingers, but if not, in the end you'll definitely will. There you go, and we got the nut with some sealant on it, and I don't see, yeah, the metal O-ring just stayed in there. So let it drain. If you open the fill up cap, it will drain faster. Also if you open the oil filter, but it might make more splashing here, so we'll just wait a little bit and then we can let it drain furthermore. Next thing we're gonna do is to remove the oil filter cap where the oil filter is located. I'm gonna be using this simple tool from AutoZone. It says 3.5 inches to 3 7/8 inches right here, so this is the correct size. And counterclockwise we'll just take it like that, and there you go. It's loose. Now we can open it up just with the hand. Definitely make sure you got the towel right here, because of the position of the filter it most likely will leak some oil right there if you don't want to get everything dirty. Just let it sit for a second. Yep, some oil coming out as expected. So that's what the towel is for. More. It's been a long time since the oil change on this one. So we'll get the filter and it will allow it to drain. I would say it's about 9,000 to 10,000 miles on this filter. in this oil. So we got the new filter here. This is a STP Gold. I don't really see the difference between STP and STP Gold, pretty much the same filters. But the important part is, on every BMW, every filter comes with all the necessary things in a package, like this one. We have a big O-ring that goes right here. It's important to change because otherwise it's gonna leak a lot, and most of the quick oil change places, they don't do it for some reason. I don't know why. And the other one is the O-ring right here. You see this little black one? It's hard to see, but it's right there, and by the feel of it I can tell it hasn't been changed in a while. It's like definitely very brittle. I can't even put my pick tool in there. So it's gonna crack, that's for sure. And we have this O-ring right here, just right there, a small one. It's red as well. And of course the crush washer for the drain plug. So all of this, that's the kit you get when you get the oil filter, any oil filter. Well, at least the ones I use, the Bosch, STP, Hengst, like this German sounding one, all of them have it, no matter what. And the replacement is very simple. You just put your pick tool in there and that's it. It's gone. Just put the new O-ring. It's nice, easy, and easy. I've seen just too many cars to definitely pay that much attention of the oil change video for those O-rings. They are important. Change them at all times because too many people just don't. First O-ring, just pay attention closely. It goes right into this groove, not the very last one. It's not a groove. It's not supposed to go in there. It goes right here. And you just stretch it all around and it sits nice and tight. Just lubricate it with the rest of oil you got left in here. That's good. That's how it's supposed to look. Take a moment. Good. And the other O-ring, it goes right here on top. I removed this black one, so this one is a little tight. Yep, that's the only spot it can go to. This is it. And now we can install the cap back on, just like that. I previously put the filter on, so we can just go in there, and you can feel that the seal is working, getting tighter and tighter. Now I'm going to use this tool just to tighten it up. Don't go too crazy. It's 25 Newton meters, it says on the cap, so that's just enough. Clean it up after and you're good to go. Now after all the oil is drained, we can install the crush washer onto the drain plug. Just like that, and put it back. That's all. All the oil is drained, and just make sure our drain plug came out without this washer, the old one. So the old one stayed in the oil pan, so make sure you take it off. It's just like that, and it jumps right into your face as usual. So this is the old one. And we're gonna put the drain plug with the new washer right back in. That's all, just clean it up all around the plug. And as before, you can put it on with just the force of your fingers and tighten it with the wrench. But once again, don't go insane. And that's enough. We're gonna fill this one up with the Castrol 10W30. We are in California and we don't have negative temperatures at all. So 1030, 530 for the maybe a little bit older ones, 1040. The first number represents the temperatures on the cold start, and the 10 goes to negatives as well. and the second one it's operational temperature viscosity. So 1030 works just fine all year round for BMWs in Los Angeles, but Kestrel Edge, it seems to be working just the best way on BMWs. I don't know, that's my experience only, so don't hate. And this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you guys later.